Good morning, students. So today we'll start with the revision of the first chapter, chemical reactions and the equations. So first of all, what do you mean by the chemical reaction and equation? Chemical reaction, it is a process in which one or more substances formed the new substances, and it cannot be reversed by the physical method. Physical method means any centrifugation, filtration, these are the physical methods, and the chemical reaction cannot be reversed by these processes. So chemical reaction कैसे पता लगेगी? How does we come to know that chemical reaction has taken place? By the change in state, change in color, change in temperature, and evolution of the gas. Now, chemical reactions and equations in our daily life. Digestion of food. Digestion of food, that is a chemical reaction. Respiration, in which the oxidation of food takes place, that is also a chemical reaction. Then rusting of iron, formation of curd, these all are the chemical reactions. Now, chemical reactions and equations में बेटे दो चीज़ें आती हैं, reactants and the products. Reactants which take part in the chemical reaction and the products which are formed during the chemical reaction. Okay, example it is given below. Now chemical equation, a chemical reaction which when it will be represented by the symbolic form, means symbolic forms of the chemical reaction, it will give the chemical equation. Okay, as the magnesium ribbon burned in the air, it gives an magnesium oxide. When we write in the formulas form or the symbols form, that will give the chemical equation. So you can see here magnesium plus oxygen we have written in the symbolic form. Okay, now how to balance a chemical reaction? Already we have done in the class ki how we have to balance the chemical equation. Okay, from the left hand side and the right hand side we have to balance the numerals value. You can see in this example. Then why do we need? क्यों balance करना है? Due to the law of conservation of mass. To satisfy the law of conservation of mass, so that the number of the elements involved in the chemical reaction should remain same in the product and the reactant side both. So there is a need. Then types of chemical reaction. First is combination reaction, when two or more reactants combine to form a single product. A plus B, if it will give the AB, that is a combination reaction. Then decomposition, opposite of the combination. ठीक है, so there are the thermal, electrolysis and the photolysis decomposition reaction. Thermal में बेटे with the help of heat, electrolysis with the help of the you can say current, and photolysis with the help of the light. Okay, so this is the decomposition. Examples already we have given below. Now displacement reaction. Displacement, when one means reactive element displaces the less reactive element from the salt solution. आयरन एंड कॉपर सल्फेट के एग्जाम्पल दिए ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन इन द लैब ऑल्सो. आयरन नेल्स को हमने डिप किया कॉपर सल्फेट में. सो दिस इज अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. नाउ डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट में इन विच द न्यू कंपाउंड्स आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द म्यूचुअल एक्सचेंज ऑफ द आयंस. आयंस एक्सचेंज हो जाते हैं, जैसे ए के बी के साथ लग गए, बी के ए के साथ लग गए. ठीक है, जैसे सोडियम सल्फेट एंड द बेरियम क्लोराइड इट इज गिवन and the barium sulfate and the sodium chloride will be formed. Now precipitation reaction भी होती है, that is the precipitate होते क्या, insoluble solids, ठीक है, which are formed in a reaction, that is a precipitation reaction. Now oxidation reduction reaction, which is also known as the redox reaction, in which oxidation में addition of oxygen or the removal of hydrogen and reduction opposite of the oxidation. Now effects of the oxidation in the daily life. टू है, दैट इज़ द corrosion एंड द rancidity. corrosion में बेटे क्या होता है कि when a metal is exposed to substance such as the moisture, air, water, etc., a layer of the oxide is formed which weakens the metals, hence metal said to be corrode. Rusting of iron. Rancidity, oxidation of the fats and oils when exposed to air, it is known as the rancidity, which gives the bad smell and the bad taste of the food. Now chemical reaction can also be classified on the basis of the temperature. Exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic, in which the heat is released, burning of the natural gas, and endothermic, in which requires the energy in the form of heat, so that is known as the endothermic reaction. So hope you all have understood and revised properly for the test. ठीक है, do revise this chapter again बेटा. Thank you.